It's a Lime Christmas on the remix. Remix prizes and surprises.
And it's the lifestyle, make Lime pay your bills. Rent or mortgage, grocery, no problem.
Ain't gotta pay a bill, now you're buying all your bling. Come to Lime this Christmas so far.
Come get your remix Christmas time.
Lime make you win a makeover room remix.
Wanna win a Lime Lifestyle Remix where we'll pay your rent or mortgage, groceries, plus give you free Lime services for a year and even a cool new mobile phone. How about a vacation for 4, a home entertainment center in 3D, or one of our weekly remix prizes? Then enter now. Top up $20 or more. Buy a new qualifying phone or text Mary to Lime or 5463 for your chance to win hundreds of prizes and surprises this Christmas.
Remix prizes and surprises. We are give away this day. It's a Lime Christmas on the remix.
This is the remix for the Lime Pass.